What are the final modifications that you'll make to the business plan at the very end? Well, generally, a business plan is a living, breathing document. So any major event that changes something about the business plan, you're going to want to update it. But oftentimes, you create a business plan primarily for the purpose of either getting a loan or bringing in investors. Those are the two primary events that take place. So once you actually get the loan, you'll need to update particularly the financials with information about the terms of the loan, how it's going to be used, things like that. You also need to update information about what portion of the operational plan is effectuated, what marketing activities you are going to prioritize based upon the amount of money you've been able to secure and the resources you have for that. If you're bringing in investors, you'll want to update the organizational structure, particularly when investors have the ability to vote on adding members to the board of directors or have a say in who is going to run the company. For example, you also update things like the capital structure. If you have what we call a cap table, which is the capital structure, the ownership structure, the outstanding shares or ownership interest in the company, things like that. You're going to want to update all of this after you actually get the loan or after you actually receive investment from investors. And the reason is to keep the business plan somewhat current in nature, because it'll be useful again when you have another need for it. While the business plan is a good planning document and planning tool, oftentimes the daily planning and the major strategizing is done more with the business model, and the business plan is more formalized tool for a specific function. So with that being said, it's important to, at best, keep it relatively up to date, so when it's needed again, it can be easily updated to achieve whatever task or purpose you need it for in the future.